Hi guys, let's get right into it. My eyebrows are already done, so I'm just gonna moisturize my face using this 𝘋𝘌𝘔𝘈𝘗 moisturizer. So good. It makes my skin feel super smooth and hydrated. And to cover up my red spots, I'm gonna go in with this Flesh Beauty Thick Stick foundation, and I'm just gonna dab it on the spots that need it, and then let that sit while I'm doing my eye makeup. For my eye makeup, I go in and use some tape just to help guide me, because I am still, you know, a beginner in these streets. And for my eyes, I'm using this Urban Decay Born to Run palette, starting with this orangey color in my crease and just blending that out as good as possible. That is the key to a good eye makeup look. And then for my lid, I'm going in with this like maroon kind of color. It's like, you know, really deep and red, and I like it. Almost purple. It's like a reddish purple. Y'all see the color. And I'm just gonna blend that in with the orangey color, and then go in with a darker brown for my outer corner and blend that in just to deepen it a little bit and blend everything out. Now for liner, I'm using this Rimmel eyeliner. It's really good, and I'm using this tape as a guide. So I just start with the wing part and work my way up to the inner corner, and then just being very careful. Like, if you practice, you can really get this down, especially with the tape. It makes it so much easier. Then I just drag it from the corner to connect it to the lid part. And I forgot to add some gold, so I'm gonna add it on the other eye. I'm just putting that in the inner corner from this Urban Decay Honey palette. And lashes. And now it's time for my face. I'm not really going to go into deep detail because I'm going to do a separate video on my foundation, but I added my foundation. Now I'm adding some Varsali drops and blending it in with this Fenty foundation brush. And then highlighting in the appropriate spots and blending that out using this Real Techniques body blender. And just so you guys know, all of the products that I'm using are linked below. And now for my contour, I'm using the LA Girl concealer, and I believe it's Espresso. It'll be linked below. And then blending that out with the same Real Techniques body blender. This one is so much better to me than the regular size one. I don't know, it's just so much more plush, and you know, I feel super cute. I'm annoying. But yeah, once that's all blended out, then it's time for powder. So I just powder underneath my eyes and then carve out the contour a little bit with the powder as well. And then dab it all over the face just to mattify everything and smooth everything out. Now I'm just going in with some bronzer just to deepen the contour, and then knocking off the powder with some pressed powder. It's going to be linked below. It's the Sephora Micro Smooth. Fire. And then just to finish off my eyes, I'm going underneath my lid using that same color that I used on my lid. And spray and keep spraying. And after mascara and highlight and a little bit of gloss, this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, please leave them down below. If you have any suggestions, also leave them down below. I love you guys. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.